Kia ora. Today, I will be discussing the application of standard of sterilization practice. This includes AS 5369-2023 and NZS 8134-2021. So the discussions will include the scope of practice, who this applies to, exclusions, the relevance of NZS 8134 2021 to AS 5369 2023 and reprocessing. I will also provide examples of how the best practice is achieved in my daily work. So the Australian Standard 5369 2023 is the basis for the reprocessing of reusable medical devices and other devices in healthcare and non-health related facilities. So a document citing the importance of effective and safe reprocessing of RMDs and other devices, including proper handling and storage, efficient transportation. So these RMDs and devices are mainly used in human healthcare settings and other treatment, example, clinical trials and even the offices. So it acknowledges that there are coexisting similarities and differences between the different types of facilities where the RMDs and devices are being used, such hospitals, clinics, medical imaging, office-based practices like dental clinics, podiatry, and aesthetic clinics. So in relation to this, it answers the questions of who the standards apply to. Basically, to everyone who processes these RMDs and devices in either healthcare or non-healthcare settings. Take note that these devices are only meant to be used on humans. So the similarities in the application of these principles are the generalized quality of systems, staff training and competency, even experience and conformity to the set reprocessing procedures. So the scope also includes the processing of single-use non-sterile RMDs and other devices supplied to the facility, which requires sterilization as per manufacturer's instruction prior to its single use. So the principles explains that interchanging of RMDs and devices used in post-mortem care, autopsy, veterinary procedures, and preclinical training involving animals is highly prohibited, considering infection prevention and control protocols. So single-use medical devices